Every car engine is designed to run on a specific type of fuel. Diesel engines operate with high-pressure compression systems, while petrol engines use spark ignition. If the mistake is noticed right after refueling, it is very important not to start the engine. This way, the fuel can be drained before the system is damaged. When diesel is put into a petrol engine, the engine usually does not start or stops shortly after, because diesel fuel does not ignite with a spark. This situation is more dangerous. Petrol removes the lubricating property of diesel fuel and wears out the fuel pump and injectors. If the wrong fuel circulates in the system, the fuel line filters and injectors become contaminated. Cleaning is required. If the engine runs on the wrong fuel, power decreases, shaking occurs, and smoke may come out of the exhaust. Especially in diesel engines, if the fuel pump and injectors are damaged, the repair can be very expensive. At the service, the tank is drained, lines are cleaned, and the filter is replaced. This process can take a few hours. Some insurance policies do not cover this situation, but if there is additional coverage, towing and cleaning may be included. Check the fuel cap, do not trust pump colors, and read the label. Modern vehicles have labels such as diesel only or unleaded fuel only. Paying attention to them prevents mistakes. Wrong fuel can shorten the engine's lifespan and reduce fuel efficiency. When you notice the mistake, do not panic. Stop the vehicle and call for professional help. Wrong fuel produces more harmful exhaust gases and negatively affects the environment. Putting the wrong fuel in the car may seem like a small mistake, but it can have serious consequences. The best precaution is to be careful